Unicommerce strengthens fast delivery play with Elastic Run onboarding. Shipway's integration with Elastic Run combines technology-led logistics orchestration with a locally operated delivery network, allowing brands to execute faster last-mile deliveries without building their own hyperlocal infrastructure. This is particularly relevant for digital-first brands operating asset-light models that depend on scalable third-party logistics networks. The rollout currently enables intracity hyperlocal deliveries across Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune and Kolkata. These markets represent high-density urban consumption zones where delivery speed directly influences customer satisfaction and repeat purchase behavior. Brands on Shipway's platform gain access to real-time shipment tracking, issue management systems, and performance analytics, while also benefiting from smart routing to optimize cost and efficiency. From Elasticrun's perspective, the partnership expands its access to Shipway's ecosystem of digital-first brands and marketplace sellers. Higher shipment volumes improve route density and network utilization, strengthening operational economics. Elasticrun's AI-driven capabilities in inventory placement, route planning and last-mile execution are expected to complement Shipway's automation-led fulfillment orchestration. The broader industry context is also important. Same-day and next-day delivery, once limited to select quick commerce categories, is increasingly becoming a standard expectation across mainstream e-commerce. As more everyday use categories such as FMCG, personal care and fashion shift online, logistics networks must deliver both speed and reliability at scale. Shipway supports standard parcel shipments, hyperlocal movements, time-bound deliveries and B2B logistics through an integrated multi-courier network. With Elasticrun's hyperlocal infrastructure now integrated, the platform strengthens its value proposition as an end-to-end fulfillment solution. This enhances client stickiness and positions it to capture rising demand for fast delivery services. Cost control remains central to sustainable growth in this segment. Faster fulfillment can raise logistics costs if not supported by strong routing intelligence and infrastructure planning. Through technology-driven network optimization, brands can aim to balance delivery speed with margin protection. Looking ahead, the integration may extend beyond intracity deliveries to support faster intercity flows, potentially expanding use cases across broader fulfillment operations. As India's digital commerce ecosystem scales, partnerships between technology platforms and execution-focused networks are likely to define the next stage of logistics innovation. Overall, the Shipway Elastic Run collaboration reflects the structural shift towards speed-led, technology-enabled logistics. For the sector, it underscores how integrated digital platforms are evolving into critical infrastructure enablers in India's rapidly growing e-commerce market. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.